From Aliexpress for $14 you can get this gadget. And what is it? It's a best new digital Bluetooth amplifier 12 volts home car 2-channel hi-fi sound speaker FM receiver audio. And it looks cool. I ordered it and I got it. Oh, once again no bubbles. Darn it. Ooh, hi-fi audio amplifier. In a box. DC input 12 volts 3 amperes. Speaker impedance from 4 to 16 ohms. What's this? We have a DC cable. Instruction manual. Metal. I like it. It's not plastic. Ooh. Let's take a closer look. At front we have bass and treble knob. From this side we have, can you hear it, on off switch and the volume. 4 buttons, previous, next, pause, mode, USB disk, micro SD card slot, and the screen. What it says, 2-channel power amplifier, DC 12 volts, stereo, left and right, hi-fi, mp3, mp4, it's not mp4. We have the radio antenna. From the right side we have the power input DC jack. It says DC 12 volts from 2 to 5 amperes. We have left and right output connectors. It says for 4 to 16 ohm speakers and audio RCA jacks. As I said, it's metal case, which is nice for cooling the amplifier. Let's see what it says in specifications. Rated voltage DC 12 volts, rated power 30 watts times 2, frequency from 20 to 20 kilohertz, impedance 4 to 8 ohms, here it says 4 to 16 ohms, okay, weight 230 grams, or the model is HY302 power amplifier, color black, material aluminum. And that's it. Looking good. Time for testing. I will use this DC jack with the cable that comes in the package and plug in 3, 2, 1. Ooh. Blue LEDs on the knobs with white letter screen. Right now we are in line in, pressing 1, Bluetooth, FM radio, line in, Bluetooth, FM. Let's hook up some speakers. If someone is interested, I'm using this Sony SSL50 speakers from old stereo system. I think it's old, over 10 or 15 years, I don't know. But these are good. And they are connected to the amplifier. And let's hear it. %50 of power. This is 100%. Bass. turning off, turning on, so you can hear it. Bluetooth connected. Play. This is the maximum. Okay, let's try the TF card. And it starts right away. Working fine. Maximum volume. Now I'm gonna show you at maximum volume how much current is pulling from my power supply. It's set on 12 volts, it's right there. Play. I think that maximum is around 200 milliamperes at 12 volts. And by hearing on your smartphones or TVs, please comment below what is the quality of the sound. There is no distortion at maximum volume. This little audio amplifier module with LCD screen, with USB, with TF card, with select for bass and treble and volume. You have aluminum case. It's beautiful and I think it's worth the money. The link will be in the description below so you can check it. Maybe order it for your car. It's beautiful product, it's small, it's lightweight. Alright. That was all for today's video. Please give a like, share and subscribe to my channel. See ya!